Hello guys, welcome to Divintech computer. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove this. So this thing, if this thing pops out in your computer, then this is how to solve this situation. So it's very simple and it's not all that difficult. So this thing happens when maybe some of the software you installed in your system, you didn't install it well. Understand? So if you didn't install the software well in your system, it will pop out this. Then, and also if some of the files of the software are missing, you understand? So it will also pop out this. So, and for you to resolve this issue, this is what you are going to do. So let's head over to the video in details. So the first thing you're going to do, look at my own example. It wrote C user Divintech app, so local temp subfolder filename.exe. So how to resolve this issue in just few minutes. So let's head over to the video. Click Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. So if you click it, this thing will open. Then the next thing you are going to do here is to go to Startup tab, then and disable any suspicious or unknown app linked to that missing file. So went to my Startup tab, then I'm going to delete the files. Sorry, I'm going to disable the file. So this is my own micro file name. So I click it and disable it. So as you can see, it is already disabled. So this is the first step here. So as you can see, it's already disabled. Is to press Window plus R. Then this will show. Then type this in that type here percentage percentage and click OK. Then this thing will pop out. So this thing will pop out. So all we have to do now is to delete all files. So all these things are the things that are unnecessary in my systems, the things that maybe I did not install well in my system. So I have to delete all of them. So you can see it is already deleting. So your problem is now solved. You can restart your system and can see that your problem is 100% solved.